What's up, guys? Heather Hooker here from thefitmomtribe.com, and today we're going to talk about the keto flu. So the keto flu is something that happens when you either start to eat following the ketogenic diet, the keto diet guidelines, which is very low carb, moderate protein, high fat, or sometimes you get it even if you just start to drink ketones. So when your body starts to switch over from burning glucose for fuel to ketones for fuel, that's when you get the keto flu, and it makes you feel crummy, it makes you feel tired, and headaches. You might get headaches, you might have some just general bleh. And the good news is that it's something that your body will get past. It lasts a couple of days and then you should be past it. But I have a few things that you can do to help you prevent the keto flu or make yourself feel better if you've already got the keto flu. So the first thing that you can do, and I actually don't have any in here, but it's bone broth. So you can get bone broth, heat it up in a mug. You can eat it like a snack. Just, sip on the bone broth. That will help you feel better. The second thing is salt. So you're going to want to add more salt to your food. Salt it up. Use the salt liberally. That's going to make you feel better. The next thing that you can do to make yourself feel better or to keep yourself from getting the keto flu is to eat more fat. So you can add coconut oil to your food, you can add MCT oil to your food, or you can just add this to your coffee or your tea. You definitely want to increase the fat in your diet. Your body has to have something to burn. So if you switch over to burning fat for fuel and you don't have enough fat, then your body just will, all right. So the next thing is, if you haven't tried these exogenous ketones, definitely try the exogenous ketones. Now, how these are going to help you with the keto flu is that they're going to help you stay in ketosis. So you're not going in and out and in and out and in and out. So the ketones are just kind of like a backup. You can eat pretty strict keto. Something's going to throw you out. You're going to go out to eat to a restaurant. You're going to have, an extra glass of wine, or you're just going to have something that just doesn't agree with you. Maybe it was mislabeled or whatever. The ketones will help you stay in so that you don't get the keto flu again. And then the last thing, and I will link these below because these are, you can't see them. There they are. All right, so these are these little electrolyte tablets that I ordered on Amazon. They're like $7 or something, and you get 100. There's 2 tablets in each little packet, and I take these every single day, and they work better than anything to make me feel better. You can also get electrolytes in the form of like Mio drops, or you can drink Gatorade Zero. There's a bunch of different ways to get electrolytes, but for me, this particular tablet works extremely well, and I can always make sure to have some in my bag so that if I start getting a headache, I just pop a couple and it usually goes right away. So I hope this helps. I hope that you do not get the keto flu, but if you do, know that it's normal, know that it will pass, and know that that is a sign that there are good things happening in your body.